Picking the right RV can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. But every once in a while, something simple and well thought out comes along that makes the decision a lot easier. That's exactly what Camppass is aiming for with the CR400 Journey, a compact trailer designed to be your easy, go-anywhere travel buddy. Camppass describes it as a quick escape companion, and that really sums it up. It's lightweight, practical, and flexible, with just enough customization to make it feel like your own. You can even choose a color that matches your style. The idea here isn't luxury overload, but a reliable, ready-to-roll setup that doesn't break the bank. The company itself is based in Austria and has been steadily growing its lineup. Their focus is pretty clear across all models. Build trailers that are tough enough for off-road adventures, but still comfortable enough to feel like a small home. The CR400 Journey is the smallest in their range, and it sticks closely to that philosophy. At its core, this trailer is like a rugged, upgraded teardrop camper. It's built on a solid chassis with a single axle and suspension designed to handle rougher terrain. The body uses durable sandwich panels with metal on the outside, and inside, there's no wood at all. That means less worry about rot, mold, or long-term wear. Instead, you get metal and fiberglass cabinetry that feels sturdy and built to last. It's also fully insulated and designed to reduce moisture and condensation, so you can use it year-round. Just keep in mind, if you're heading into colder weather, you'll want to add a heating option. Step inside and you'll notice it's simple but smart. The entire cabin is basically a cozy sleeping space for two people, giving you that tiny home on wheels feel. You won't be standing up in here, but you can sit comfortably. Storage is surprisingly generous, with overhead compartments and a large pass-through section at the front for your gear. If you need more sleeping space, there's the option to add a rooftop tent and expand capacity to 4 people. It'll be tight, but that's kind of the point with this trailer. It's built for people who plan to spend most of their time outdoors, not stuck inside. Around the back, you'll find the kitchen, which is accessible from the outside. It's simple but functional, with a single-burner stove, a sink, a freshwater container, and a slide-out cooler. There's also plenty of room for prepping meals and storing essentials, making it easy to cook wherever you park. In terms of features, you get the basics covered. There's lighting throughout, USB-C ports for charging your devices, a shore power hookup, and even a wastewater tank. Everything is designed to be straightforward and easy to use, especially for beginners. One of the biggest advantages here is how light it is. With a low starting weight and a modest maximum weight, it's easy to tow and doesn't require a heavy-duty vehicle. That opens it up to a lot more people who just want to hit the road without dealing with complicated setups. You can also customize it with extras like an awning, outdoor shower, or even an off-road package if you want to push it a bit further. Still, it's worth noting that this model is more about simplicity than extreme off-roading. Overall, the CR400 Journey feels like it was designed with first-time campers in mind. It's easy to use, practical, and affordable, with a starting price that makes it accessible compared to many other RVs out there. And if you catch the right deal, it can be even cheaper. At the end of the day, this trailer isn't trying to be everything. It's focused on doing a few things really well, getting you out into nature quickly, comfortably, and without a lot of hassle.